Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a video in regards to read pins, how to enable read pins on Pinterest. And actually what is a read pin is helping us with your pins to be highlighted and show up on the smart feed. So as you can see, for example, here, all of these parts are highlighted. This is what it means to have, your pins on to be a read pin, and is helping you to have, your pins push up to the smart feed. And it's also showing you here, for example, the highlight on the titles of the pins. And it's actually very easy process, and sometimes people that do get it wrong, so I thought I should do a small video. As you know now, when I first started, it was simple. You just put the link here on the developers Pinterest tool, and your URL, and just validate it and wait for 24 hours. Now it's actually within an hour. Wait some time. So the thing is that now Pinterest make our life easier when you actually want to validate and actually, verified in your site. This is what you do now, except the WooCommerce plugin. You can do it with Yoast. It's a free plugin helping you with your SEO, which is very important to have on your website. So what you can do is to go to Yoast plugin and go to General and then Social. You can see here on the dashboard, and then on the future, go to General and then go to the future, and make sure you have everything here are enabled. Also your settings, your advanced settings, if you are upgraded on this one. And obviously use this tool, this plugin, to verify your website. So if you use this one and you go by social, you will see the Pinterest key, the code that you need to put on, and then verify it on Pinterest. So it's very easy process. You do this as soon as you verify your website, then just do it straight away. Validate your website, and I will show you in a minute. When you validate your website, because I use a different plugin at the time, then what you need to do is basically take your link here. That is my link of a landing page. Don't just take your website and just validate it, because that is not going to work. A lot of people are doing this mistake. Just take a link with your services or a landing page or your blog, one blog post. Choose a blog post or a product link or something like that, and then go to this website here, the developers on Pinterest, and then put the link here and then validate it. It's very simple. And as you see here, like you have on your social, your Pinterest and everything here, so you confirm your site here, which is very easy when you do with your meta tag. Create another video on that, and straight away then you take your link and you validate it. It's really going to help you in smart feed. It's going to push you into the smart feed, and it's very easy. This is where people get it wrong. They put a website link or the just a website. You need to put a link of your product or services. So also you need to be patient, because sometimes people, they get very stressed and they want everything to be fast and they validate in the website. Give Pinterest some time. So this is very important for you, and you need to do that, because it's going to help your pins a lot. You're going to see the difference straight away, and it's actually taking an hour. This is the Yoast help blog post here of how to do it. And as you can see here, they have the simple information instructions on how to do it. It's not really very difficult. I mean, when I did it, it was just, you know, with coding and everything. Now it's even simpler. So if you have enabled Open Graphs, you will be okay. As I saw you here, it's very simple. And that's it for me today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like this video. Put your comments below. Let me know if you need anything else. And I hope you're well. Take care.